In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split image in GIMP. By the end, you'll know how to divide a single image into multiple perfectly aligned pieces and export each one as its own file, all without altering your original artwork. Start by opening your image in GIMP. If GIMP is already running, just go to File and Open, then select your picture. It will appear on its own tab, ready to work with. Everything we do next is non-destructive, so you can set things up confidently before making any cuts. Next, we'll add guides to define exactly where the splits will happen. Go to the top menu and choose Image, then Guides, and select New Guide by %. Think of guides as visual markers. They won't change your image, but they tell GIMP where to slice. In the dialog that appears, choose Horizontal and set the position to 50% to create a clean top and bottom split. You'll see a line appear across the middle of your image. Now repeat the process for a vertical split. Go back to Image, Guides, New Guide by %, set it to vertical, and again choose 50%. You now have a crosshair that divides the image into 4 equal parts. If you want more than 2 or 4 pieces, you can add additional guides using the same menu. For example, adding horizontal guides at 33.33% and 66.66% creates 3 equal rows, and doing the same vertically makes 3 equal columns. Use percentages that match the layout you need. GIMP does the math for you. Once your guides are in place and you're happy with the layout, it's time to slice. Go to Image and click Slice using Guides. GIMP will automatically cut the image at every guideline and open each section as its own new image. Look for the new tabs along the top. Each one is a separate piece that corresponds to the areas you marked. To save each split piece, switch to a Pieces tab, then go to File and Export. Choose a location and give it a clear name so it's easy to keep track of the set. For format, PNG is great for sharp edges and transparency, while JPG is better if you need smaller file sizes. Click Export. Confirm any format settings and repeat for each remaining piece. The guides won't appear in your saved files, only the content inside each slice. That's it. Open your image, add guides by %, slice using guides, and export each piece. You'll have clean, consistent splits ready for web, print, or any layout you need.